Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's go to reset options. And here we've got mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So as you can see, they are divided between two categories. And all you have to do is to simply tap on the specific option and tap on reset. And as you can see, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi has been reset. And the same with mobile networks. Tap on reset settings. It is a little bit longer. Moreover, here you have to confirm everything with your screen lock and simply tap on reset settings. And as you can see, we've got this information. Remember, because in both situations, this operation cannot be undone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.